I'm Jane and I'm a holiday-let coach and consultant, and I've been using LinkedIn for the past year as a way to grow my network and grow my business. So if you've ever had the thoughts of, LinkedIn's just for corporates, or LinkedIn is just for people who are looking for jobs, or maybe you have that thought about you don't know how to be yourself in LinkedIn or how you should be writing your posts appropriately for LinkedIn, then this is absolutely perfect workshop for you. Some people even go into LinkedIn, log in, look at the first page and think, yeah, I don't know where to start. There's too much stuff. I don't know what I'm looking at. What does it all mean? This is the workshop for you. So during this workshop, I am going to be simplifying LinkedIn for you. So we're going to look at all the features that are there and explain what each one of them does. That way you can decide what features are going to work well for you and for your business. The idea of LinkedIn is to connect with lots of people. And this is where I'm going to show you how you can search for those people that you're looking for. We're going to look at what groups that might be suitable for you and how you can search for your ideal clients as well. We'll look at the functions such as the events and how you can set up events, how you can do live events, audios, and how you can connect with people and invite them to your events. Maybe you want to write a newsletter or an article, so we will look at that. So you know that you can do something weekly where you can provide value to your audience and at the same time get them to subscribe to your newsletter and get these people to follow you and be part of your network. We'll be looking at how you connect with people in a really authentic way. So there's no cold DMs, but this is all about being authentic, about being human and actually having genuine conversations with people, which is going to lead to better connections, collaborations, and even clients for you. So if you have a bit of the LinkedIn fear, this is the workshop for you. Come along, learn the features and see how you can build a really good strategy and how to take LinkedIn further in your business.